Hey guys, this is the miter saw station for the DeWalt DWS 779 or 780. They're both the same size saw. I know I promised a video, the big reveal when it was all done the way I wanted it, but that's going to take longer than I thought, and I'm running a little bit out of time. And this is just a video showing you pretty much almost finished project. But there will be more to come. I'm going to build some storage and some other things, but this will have to do for now. Just a short video to show you it, and then I've got all kinds of videos on the whole process that are already on my channel at DIY Guy 50. I'd appreciate it if you watch those, and if you like them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning. I'm finally getting my shop somewhat organized. Got a long way to go, but once I do, I'm going to start doing more projects here at home, and I hope you like them. And if you do, like I say, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and that'll help me grow my channel so I can make more videos and better videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay. I'm not really finished with this, but I thought I'd go ahead and make this video, show you how I installed the saw. This is the DeWalt DWS 779. Pretty much the same as the 780, I believe. I have these installed so I can use this on job sites with my portable DeWalt stand, and I want to leave those on. So what I did on my saw stand, I just went ahead and put these boards in here, and that is all that's going to hold that in place. I've tried it out several times. It works fine. It's a heavy saw. I don't see a need to screw it down. I really didn't want to, because I want to be able to just quickly lift it off of there when I need it. And I'm going to put a finish on this too. I haven't even screwed the track down yet. I made a stop block and I kind of jimmied it up. So anyway, I was going to show you that, but it just slides in that track, and then I'll put some adhesive left to right and right to left, tape along both sides. But this is just I'll show you here. Right now I'm just going to use the my shop vac and attach it with some hose that DeWalt makes to attach to that, and it'll work pretty well until I get a good dust collection system in here, which is next on the list. But anyway, just showing it to you here. This is what I'm going to finish it with. I was going to do all this and then make this video, but I didn't see any reason to have a video showing me finishing that. I think all of you know how. This is Zinsser's Bullseye Shellac. They tell you to use for oil-based stains and finishes. Anyway, just follow the directions on the can if you choose to use this. I think it's a pretty good finish. Just wanted to get this out there because I've already got all the videos on making the cabinets, making the drawers, installing the drawer fronts and pulls. And so I thought I'd just go ahead and make this. And later on, I'm sure you'll see it if you watch my videos, because I'm going to put this to good use. Okay, I will point out this would have worked perfectly until I put this hickory trim on here. that little bit of a corner is going to have to be angled off of there on both sides. Because my saw goes up to 50-inch on this side and 60-inch on this side. And as you'll see, or maybe you can see, when I try to take it clear over here, my handle gets in the road at about 57 degrees. And I occasionally do cut 60-inch cuts, so all I need to do is cut this corner off at an angle right here. Same thing on the other side. All I need to do is cut an angle, just this trim off here at this angle, and it'll get me there, because I've already tried it without the trim. So just going to mark that and cut that off, and we'll be good to go. But like I say, the saw, it's not going to go anywhere. It's not moving any at all, and I like it. Like I say, it's not its permanent home, so now I can easily lift this off of here. Don't even have to take any screws off, and take it to the job site. I love the saw, but it is a big saw. The whole reason this miter station is 32 inches deep is because, as you can see, I'm leaving myself about 2 inches back there. I'm just going to hook it for now up to, this will obviously go on here, my shop vac down below, and it does a pretty good job. It gets the fine stuff. Obviously, I want to have some stuff here. I did make a port. I may end up putting a hood on it. I don't know, but for now, this is gonna have to do. I mean, the drawers, I did get the slow, what do you call it? Soft close doors. They're plenty sturdy. Like I say, I just used butt joints, the simple butt joint, reinforced them with glue and screws. The bottom's 1/2-inch birch plywood. The sides are 3/4-inch birch plywood. And they're gonna work for me fine. These close a lot better when you get some weight in them, but I like that soft close. I did put deeper drawers down in here. I've got 4 deep drawers, and these are 5-inch. I use, where's it at? Here it is. I use these boxes for screws and nails and things like that. I built these drawers with that in mind to put, so that I could just set these right down in it. These are 24-inch drawers, so you have plenty of space in there. So I know I'd put on here, I would have a video of the whole, the big reveal of this. I wanted to have it finished. I'm kind of short on time, so I'm going to go ahead and put this out there because I know a lot of you have been watching the videos on building the cabinets and the drawers. There's video on the drawer pulls and drawer fronts, installing those, installing the drawers. So anyway, this is it. I will have probably another video, or you'll see it in some of my other videos when it's finished. I'm going to also build some storage on the back side of that. But each cabinet is 48 inches long, 36 inches high, and 32 inches deep. My saw stand is 32 inches deep and 30 inches wide, and it fits my DeWalt 779 very well. This is hickory trim, just cover the edges there. I'm not going to cover the exposed plywood here, but I'll have to cut these corners off here and here. My track's not yet installed. I made a stop block, but kind of jimmied it up on my router. So I'm going to make another one, but there it is. Not quite finished, but it is definitely operable. So that being said, I think we'll wrap this up. I'll get this video out there, and if you guys want to build something like this and have any questions, please comment ask your questions below. I do read my comments, and I will be happy to answer questions. I unfortunately do not have plans on this other than my scribbles, but I did design it on SketchUp, and it worked out pretty good. I think I did narrow my drawers a little bit. I'm not sure why that happened, but SketchUp will take it right down to the 1/64th of an inch. And I don't know if just with putting the drawers together and the glue and all that, if it made them a little bit too tight with the drawer slides or not, but I fortunately made one drawer and tried it out on each cabinet. The cabinets are pretty much identical down to I believe it's just a 32nd of an inch that I noticed one of these openings was just a little bit tight. But be glad to answer any questions if you like the video and you want more videos like these. Please subscribe and hit that. When you subscribe, there's a bell icon that comes out there. Ring that bell, and then when I come out with my next video, you'll be notified. And I again thank you for watching.